Alright, hello guys. So what you got in front of you is this Cello Point or Chill Point 16-inch remote control stand fan. This was recently found and the base was left behind because the legs were bent up because apparently these companies don't make these cross bases that well anymore. But overall, the top part is actually very decent made. It's not like your average modern day fan. So this one I don't know, but I guess it would. The design of this would date back to the mid '90s because this is a copy of those Duracraft fans, from the badge to the blades, and down to the design of the motor housing as well as the. I'm not exactly sure if Duracraft Honeywell actually used this base design. I'm pretty sure they did. But other than that, they used the same motor covers as well. But it's very decently made. It has some pitch to it, which is good. The blades are not very floppy. Also, the grills are sort of very sturdy, even though the grill lines are kind of thin. And this thing can go up to 8 hours in terms of timing, 3 speeds. So, to start with this fan, you just pretty much click on the speeds and you just shut it off. Same goes for the timer. Just press timer and it will turn on and then you shut it off. Just with that press of that one button. So let me turn this to the side. And as you can see, this does have some. The blade has the Duracraft motor cover design. And if we turn to the back here, you will see the informations. So let me push this out of it. And there you have it. There's the informations right there. So this was made by the. Not sure if this is actually a manufacturing company or just an import company, but it says Brooklyn Lollipops Import Company Corporation, actually, model V/2775, ETL standards, and it was manufactured in November 2020. Has a tilt height adjustment, and it has the full metal motor shells, which are not seen other than Lasco fans nowadays. So now we can turn this to the back and start up on the low speed. So one thing that you may notice is that when you turn on the fan, it lightens up in the middle, but then it goes to the speed selection automatically. So this is low speed and it's throwing a quite decent amount of breeze. It's fairly noisy for the amount of pitch this thing has, which makes them not that, which were give them the rank of being a cheap fan back in the 90s. But it's not surprising, but this is actually better than the average modern fan nowadays. Let's turn it up to medium now. What I noticed with these fans is that because of the weight of the blade, they have little to no variance between speeds at all. It's very minimal. And I guess it requires a heavier blade to have that big variance. And also because of the pitch of the blade, it's not blowing much air. But it is strong, that I can still feel it. Now for full power. very decent, I would say. But as said before, there's barely any variance between the speeds here. Well, that's very good. Better than the average stand fan nowadays, which are not made properly anymore. Unless you're buying one of those Medea fans, then sure. But any other, you would not find a fan like this being this powerful. So there's a timer. It only could go up to 8 hours. If it was the entire control panel, I would say this would be like about 15 hours in total. You know, one thing that you should know as well, the balance is actually very good on this fan. It's not vibrating or anything. Something you rarely see these days. The oscillation actually functions well because there were some of these fans with this metal oscillating gearbox that would have problems. Well, it's time to shut it off. So there you go, the off button shuts everything down, as well as the timer. Surprisingly, a very long spin down for a Monarch fan as well. Well, there you have it. That's the Chill-Point or Chill-Point 16-inch stand fan remote control model. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like and comment down below, and please tune in for more videos, and thanks for watching.